So we've just come into Monkey Forest up in Ubud, and it was 160 Indonesian dollars to come in, Indonesian rupiah, 160,000. And yes, we're going to have a look and I'll show you around. Let's go in. Let's go down here and have a look. Get on the stairs. Look at those, they're cool. It's very wet in here, must have been raining here. This takes us into a cave area. Okay, so that's a little bit of a cave coming in. Must be a little bit of a walk. That's beautiful in here. Just look at it. Ah, here we go. Little monkey friends coming up to him now. This little one. Good. The monkey's cute. There's another one there. These ones are friendly ones. Oh no. Feel like, don't come near me. I think he thinks he's gonna try and take his food. It's a beautiful area here. Look at this forest, it's beautiful. Look at these trees. Love the way this place has been designed with the walkway around it. Sorry? Yeah. Nah, you don't want to. Oh, there's one with the baby up there. Yeah, that's why they're up there. Oh, what do we have here? Little baby ones. Cute. Nah, I wouldn't touch them. Look at this. The little baby monkeys in the arms there. It's so cute. Just look at this forest around us. It's just beautiful here, everywhere you look. As you walk into the first part of the forest here, they have these people, workers there, that lure the monkeys down with a bit of food. And these must be the tame ones, because in other sections of the park they won't let you feed them. But what they do, they lure the monkeys down onto you while they take photos of you for about 50,000. You just give the photographer there, the worker, and rupiah, and he'll sit there and lure the monkeys to sit on you whilst he feeds them and distracts them. And yeah, it was sort of cute. That's why I put these photos up, because I thought they're actually quite cute photos. Some people go, no, I don't want the monkeys near me. But I don't know. I thought it was kind of fun getting these photos and getting them that close. And I like the way he makes it look like that it's actually a selfie that the monkeys are taking, and the way he takes the photos. And then like this one, this little baby monkey just came up to her and started crawling on her while she was sitting there. And she thought it was so cute. And the monkey was so gentle with her too. I was surprised. So that was a cool experience, wasn't it, my dear? We got to take photos with all the monkeys up close to us, and sitting on our laps, jumping on our shoulders. And they do it for about 50,000. He goes, just give me 50,000. I sit there and bring the monkeys and get photos with you. And you go, yeah, why not? It's just a good photo experience.
Some people not pay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people not pay.
Not pay. Not pay. Pay because free, you know?
Yeah.
But people just call your money.
I just went, you know what? If it supports the local community at the moment when they're recovering from COVID, why not? But, yep, it was a cool experience. And here, I'm going to show you some more monkeys now. This whole forest here, everywhere you go. So even just the architecture in this monkey forest is just beautiful. You get to see it everywhere. So this is one place where you can get quite close up to the monkeys and you can see what they're doing. And yeah, and you got a lot of mixture of like babies, big ones. I think there's a baby one there, sort of with mummy. So you can see a little baby there attached, walking around. Real cute one at the back. Ooh, look how small this baby is. Little baby one's cute. This little bugger I have to watch. He's just coming up near my feet. And you got to watch they don't take things, because they do like water bottles, I was told. Alright, we got to keep walking. Anne's already walked off on me. But look at this architecture. It's just really nice temple stuff. Alright, let's walk around and find Anne. Walk through the corridor. What were you trying to do?
It's not allowed for feeding. If you want to do, it's not allowed. But for picture, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah, see? No feeding here. They got a big sign. It must have been just in that one area. They've probably got a few ones that are fairly tame, and then they got these ones here, can be little buggers. And that's why they got the people watching what you're doing here. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Just here you can't feed them. Maybe it's the family. Maybe the family group's different here or something. Yeah. Let's see what's up here. What's this big thing for here? Big open space. Maybe it's just a viewpoint. Let's have a look. What's so special about here? Terima kasih, yotok, tidak, merokok. Ah, must be some sort of creek down there. Just another walkway. Walking area. Look at the monkeys over here. Little buggers. It is a beautiful area to walk around though. Don't you think, my love? Let's go have a look at these little buggers. They always think, if they notice you got a selfie stick in your hand, that they're going to go around and grab it off you. I was surprised they didn't take my hat and run with it. But let's keep looking around. I was going to say, it's a pretty cool experience just walking around here, seeing all the monkeys so close up. And yeah, you got a few temples, we'll just have to watch my step there. And, but yeah. It's just a beautiful surroundings. It's nice and cool up here. It's not too humid. And that's why I like just walking around here. Don't know which direction Anne's going in, but we'll follow her. And yes, of course, stop again for some photo opportunities and posing opportunities. Again, these grounds were very beautiful, so it's a nice place to take photos. So yeah, it's a nice peaceful sort of greenery walk. And if you love your monkeys, and yeah, you're going to see a lot of them here, I'm just telling you that. So let's just go up these stairs and see where they take us. Zen says we've got a lot on our thing today, what we want to do. So we're going to leave the monkey forest and go to our next destination. Exit. There's a little bit of market sort of things out here. So a few little market stores here. Looks like they have a monkey animal clinic too, where they look after the monkeys that are sick. And just if you guys are interested in this, you've got the sanctuary, Monkey Forrest Ubud Sanctuary. This is a very beautiful area, my dear. Smile. We had a bit of fun walking through these forests, and it was just so cute getting up close to the monkeys. I just really enjoyed this. So this is the way out, but look at the amount of monkeys here. Everywhere you're walking, there's monkeys. It's a good way to get up fairly close to them. Oh, that's why, because I've dumped a bunch of food here, because it's a bit of a monkey sanctuary. Oh, look at the baby one. Do not feed the monkeys, my dear. Mm. It says don't take the food from here or they'll come and get you. Mm. So close to them. Just look at them. So cute. And you're right up close to them because they're right near your feet. Look at this little baby one with mummy. Super cute little babies. Lots of little baby monkeys here. Big bosses. All right, let's go back. This was a really peaceful walk as well. It was an easy walk, walking through the forest here. There wasn't too many stairs. It was just this kind of smooth, easy walk, which a lot of people could do. And yeah, they're pretty good. They're saying don't touch the monkeys. Just like if they come to you, they come to you, but don't touch them. And yeah, there's one section there where they will feed them, the owners, but you don't. So yeah. Overall, coming to Monkey Forest is actually a worthwhile experience. Just to get up close to the monkeys, I guess. And if you're coming through a Western country that doesn't always have that, then this is an experience. Yeah, so if you want to get up close to the monkeys here in Bali, then Monkey Forest is your perfect opportunity. And it's worthwhile. It's worthwhile coming here, I think. But we're finished up here and we're heading off. So here's the entry area and there's parking out here. Yeah, you got all your little fishies there as well. That's where our entrance was. And this is our exit. But I think I need an iced coffee. So I'm going to come over here for it. So I thought I saw the sign, iced coffee. But we'll wait and see whether they actually have it here. No. Hot coffee, iced coffee. No, not really. I think it's local Thai coffee, so we'll go somewhere else. Find our drinks. Ah, yeah. Actually, I was saying that, gee, it's cooler down here. It's not too bad. Yeah, it is in the forest, but you don't feel how the humidity's hit you until you walk up to the top of the hill and back out again. But it is a reasonably easy walk through monkey forest, so don't get too stressed by it. But yeah, give this place a try if you're coming up here as a tourist, because you do get close to the monkeys, and they do have these guys that try and attract them to sit on your lap or sit on your shoulder like they do in some of the photos I'm going to be putting up. And yeah, it's a good experience, I think. But not sure where we're off to next, but more filming to do. Also, watch your belongings here, as the monkeys may get a little bit cheeky and try and take it. But overall, if you like this video, hit like and please subscribe as I continue to add videos of my travels and adventures around Thailand and Asia in general.